here is Matt Hagan and Tim Wilkerson. Matt Hagan there, the diehard car. It's time to think a little bit about what else Matt Hagan does. He lives on a farm, works on a farm. Here's the sounds of the farm.
It's just one of those things, just being able to get out here and get your hands dirty every day.
His sounds on the strip is a little bit louder. Yeah, that was Matt Hagan over there in the right side of your screen 2 weeks ago at Charlotte. Look at this thing go. Wow. He had a slight injury that he now says came when his helmet kind of twisted around. A little bleeding from by his eye, and no problem with that at all. So here is Hagan. He is 11th. Tim Wilkerson over on the other side. Tim currently sits 8th.
Tim Wilkerson, your Gainesville winner, getting back on track with this race car. This car that they rebuilt after Daniel Wilkerson crashed it at Memphis. They put a new front half on it, and the car seems to be responding very well. Not that run.
So Tim goes away, a 4:09 for Hagan. Move him up from 11th to the top half of the field. He now sits in 5th place. Quickest times of the session. There they are. Matt Hagan just ran that one, followed by Dell and Jeff Deal. Remember, there are points on the line there, 3, 2, and 1 for the quickest times of the session. And if you remember back to once they instituted that last year, it made a lot of difference.